let me show you on this video how to get Twilio notifications from a form submission. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to get notifications using the Twilio integration. That means that when a form is submitted, you're going to get a notification on your Twilio number, which is really practical depending on your use case. So let's get started. This is my main workspace, and I'm going to use this feedback form for testing purposes. So let's go ahead and edit this form, and we are going to integrate this form with Twilio, okay? So once you finish building your form, you want to do the integration. So let's go into settings, and in settings, we're going to go to integrations, and in integrations, we are going to search for Twilio. So let's go ahead and do so right now. Here it is. Let's go ahead and select it. Let's go ahead and add this to form, and it is now added right here. So let's go ahead and go into the widget settings, and we need to integrate Twilio with Jotform. So we're going to need the Twilio account SID, Twilio auth token, and the Twilio number. So let's go ahead and jump over to our Twilio account. Okay, so I am now located in the main section here on my Twilio dashboard. If I scroll down here, I'm going to find the account information. So I'm going to need the account SID. So let's go ahead and copy this. Let's go ahead and paste it here. Let's go ahead and grab the auth token, and let's go ahead and paste it here. And next, we're going to need the Twilio number. So let's go ahead and grab it over here from the phone numbers. Let's go ahead and manage the phone numbers, the active numbers, and go ahead and select the active number that you are going to integrate with. I'm going to go ahead and copy this right now. And be aware that if you don't have a phone number on Twilio, go ahead and buy one first. That way you'll have one here to manage and use on Jotform. Let's go back over here. Let's paste our phone number, and we're going to set, for example, a daily limit. In this case, 0 would be unlimited, but if you want to cap this at a certain limit, in this case, we are just doing testing. So I'm going to set this to 5. The delay per SMS, so it doesn't just go one after another. There's a delay in this case, and right now it's 180 seconds, which is 3 minutes. So go ahead and set the amount of seconds that you want to set here. So you also have the default country. In this case, it's set to United States. Go ahead and select the country that you are using the number from. Allow number validation in the edit mode if you want to allow this. The SMS template and confirmation button label. In this case, it's set to confirm. So I can set, for example, confirm, and I'm going to use number. Here we go. It now updated. And I also have the option to set a custom error message. In this case, I'm going to leave it just as it is, but I can go ahead and customize this right now. Let's go ahead and update. Here we go. I am now integrated with Twilio. You do have a second option here, which is the custom CSS in case you want to make some changes. And that's if you know CSS. Okay, so we're good to go with the widget settings. Then we have the properties that we can set right here. For example, if I want to set the field label, for example, I can say phone number validation. Here we go, or just phone number. The reason you want to use this because Twilio is going to validate the number first before allowing to submit, which is a great idea because you don't want random phone numbers. Then we have the label alignment, the general alignment, the width, the height, and making this required. That means they can't submit the form unless they validate the number right here. So it's a great option to use. Then you have the advanced options to shrink this in case you want to add another element on the right, move it to a new line, hide the field. If you want to use conditional logic, then that could be a good option here. Okay, so once we're good to go, I can go ahead and preview the form right now, and we are now integrated with Twilio inside of our Jotform. So I can fill this with demo data. Here we go. And then I can add my phone number to validate. For example, I'm going to add a random number, and obviously this is not going to work because it's an invalid phone number. So it's a great option because Twilio is going to validate the number for us so they can confirm and submit, which is a great option when you want to integrate. So that is how you're going to get notifications every single time that the form is submitted to your Twilio number. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the options what you think about the integration with Twilio and Jotform and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.